I've spent years making wild challenges, giving away insane prizes, and testing limits, but today we're doing something different, exploring the minds of animals that make humans look a little less unique. I want you to sit back and, prepare to be amazed, because the intelligence you're about to see comes from evolution, patience, and problem-solving, unlike anything we often expect from non-human species. This video isn't just cute clips, it's real science, crazy anecdotes, and moments that will make you question what smart really means. Animals use tools planned for the future, recognize themselves, and mirrors show empathy, and we're ranking 5 species that consistently blow researchers' minds. Let's jump into the top 5 smartest animals, and trust me, when you get to number 2, you'll be stunned. When we think of intelligence in the animal kingdom, one face often comes to mind first: the chimpanzee. As our closest living relatives, sharing around 98% of our DNA, they offer a profound and sometimes unsettling reflection of ourselves, and for good reason. Their cognitive abilities are not just a matter of simple instinct, they are a complex tapestry of thought, culture, and emotion. The key lies in their brain structure, which is remarkably similar to our own. It's equipped for sophisticated social reasoning, long-term planning, and the kind of imitation that forms the bedrock of culture. This neural architecture allows them to navigate a world of shifting alliances and complex hierarchies, a world where memory and strategy are paramount. This intelligence is most famously demonstrated in their tool use. In the wild, chimps don't just find tools, they make them. They'll carefully select a twig, strip it of its leaves, and use the resulting probe to expertly fish for termites, a delicate and skillful operation. In other regions, they employ a 2-piece toolkit of a stone hammer and anvil to crack open tough nuts, a task requiring immense precision and forethought. Even more astonishingly, some groups fashion spears from branches, sharpening the ends with their teeth to hunt smaller mammals. This isn't just tool use, it's the creation of specialized hunting weapons. Crucially, these are not isolated behaviors. They are cultural traditions, passed down from one generation to the next through observational learning. Young chimps spend years watching their elders, patiently practicing until they master the techniques of their specific community. Some even innovate, developing slight improvements that can spread through the group. Their social intelligence is staggering. Chimpanzees form political coalitions to gain status. They remember who their allies are, and they will engage in tactical deception to mislead rivals. They understand what others can and cannot see, and they use that knowledge to their advantage. In controlled experiments, their problem-solving abilities shine. They demonstrate flexible, goal-oriented thinking by stacking boxes to reach a reward, or using ropes and poles in novel ways to retrieve out-of-reach food. They can visualize a solution and execute a plan with multiple steps. This capacity for abstract thought extends to self-awareness. Like us, chimps can recognize themselves in a mirror, using it to inspect parts of their own bodies they've never seen before. A clear sign of a sense of self. But perhaps most profoundly, their intelligence is deeply intertwined with emotion. Chimps have been observed consoling victims of aggression, showing jealousy, and reconciling after conflicts with a reassuring hug or pat. They build relationships that last a lifetime. In their complex minds, we see not just a clever animal, but a sentient being with a rich inner world, forcing us to reconsider the line that separates us. Gliding through the world's oceans with an effortless grace, the bottlenose dolphin has long captured our imagination, but beyond their playful acrobatics lies a mind of profound complexity. These marine mammals are not just intelligent, they are widely recognized as one of the most cognitively advanced species on the planet, challenging our very understanding of what it means to think. Decades of scientific research have unveiled an astonishing array of cognitive skills. The key to this intelligence lies in their anatomy. A dolphin's brain is not only large relative to its body size, but it's also highly convoluted, or folded. This intricate folding dramatically increases the surface area of the neocortex, the region responsible for higher-order thinking, problem-solving, and self-awareness. This powerful biological hardware supports an incredible range of abilities. In controlled experiments, dolphins demonstrate advanced social cognition, vocal learning, and even the comprehension of symbolic language, understanding syntax and grammar in acoustic commands. Their social lives are a symphony of communication. They use a complex vocabulary of clicks for echolocation, and a rich variety of whistles and body language to convey information and maintain social bonds. Perhaps most famously, each dolphin develops a unique signature whistle within its first year of life, which functions much like a name. They call out their own whistle to announce their presence and copy the whistles of others to get their attention. This points to a remarkable level of individual identity. Even more impressively, they can remember the signature whistles of other dolphins they haven't seen for over 20 years, demonstrating one of the longest social memories ever recorded in the animal kingdom. This capacity for learning is not just about memory. In captivity, dolphins can understand and execute multi-step instructions and novel acoustic commands, proving their ability to think flexibly beyond simple conditioning. They are also one of the few species to pass the mirror self-recognition test, a classic indicator of self-awareness. In the wild, this intelligence translates into sophisticated survival strategies. Cooperative hunting tactics, like herding fish onto sandbanks, require intricate communication, strategic planning, and the ability to predict the actions of their partners. Some populations even exhibit tool use, a behavior once thought to be uniquely human. In Shark Bay, Australia, dolphins place marine sponges on their snouts to protect them while foraging on the seafloor, a learned tradition passed down from mother to calf. Beyond practical skills, dolphins show signs of emotional complexity. They have been observed assisting injured podmates, lifting them to the surface to breathe, and even showing grief. This cooperative care and social support strongly point to the capacity for empathy. The profound cognitive richness of these animals underscores the urgent need to protect their marine habitats from pollution, noise, and overfishing. As our understanding of their intelligence deepens, the ethical conversations surrounding their captivity and conservation intensify. Studying dolphins forces us to look beyond our own human-centric viewpoint and broaden our definition of intelligence. They thrive in a world dominated by sound and social connection, a sensory reality vastly different from our own. Their intricate communication, deep social complexity, and remarkable problem-solving abilities make them not only charismatic icons of the ocean, but intellectually fascinating beings who remind us that great minds come in many forms. When we look into the eyes of an elephant, we often feel a sense of profound wisdom staring back. It's a feeling that goes beyond simple observation, and as it turns out, science wholeheartedly agrees. These gentle giants are not just large, they are among the most intelligent beings on our planet. The secret lies within their massive brains, which are structurally similar to our own, but significantly larger. They possess exceptionally well-developed temporal lobes and a large hippocampus, the very structures we associate with deep memory and complex emotion. This isn't just about remembering facts, it's about feeling, connecting, and understanding the world on a profound level. This advanced neurology translates into rich, complex social lives. Elephants form lifelong social bonds and demonstrate a remarkable spatial memory that is nothing short of astonishing. They remember the exact locations of distant water sources and ancient migration routes passed down through generations, and they recognize and greet social partners, even after decades of separation. This incredible memory is absolutely crucial for survival, especially in drought-prone landscapes where the matriarch's knowledge of a forgotten spring can mean the difference between life and death for the entire herd. Their emotional depth is equally stunning. Elephants are known to grieve their dead, often revisiting the bones of lost family members for years, standing in silent contemplation. They show clear signs of empathy and will comfort distressed companions with gentle touches and soft vocalizations. This emotional intelligence fuels their capacity for cooperative problem-solving, which emerges instinctively during complex group tasks. Their ingenuity extends to tool use. They'll purposefully select and use branches to swat flies, modify foliage to reach otherwise inaccessible food, and even plug water holes with chewed bark to reduce evaporation, conserving a precious resource for later. In controlled tests, their cognitive abilities shine. They solve intricate multi-step puzzles to get a reward, demonstrate self-awareness by passing mirror recognition tests, and quickly learn to manipulate novel tools. They exhibit foresight and planning, like moving heavy logs or blocks into position to stand on them to reach a tasty piece of fruit. This isn't just instinct, it's culture. Social learning is the primary way this vital knowledge passes across generations, from elder to youth. This makes losing elders to poaching or habitat loss so devastating. It's like losing a library, as key knowledge holders and their accumulated wisdom are erased forever. To maintain their social fabric, they use low-frequency calls that travel for miles through the ground and air, allowing them to coordinate movements and convey complex messages about their identity, mood, and intentions. In a remarkable display of future planning, they have been observed to save tools for future use, and carefully choose the most appropriate implement for a specific job. The profound intelligence of the elephant invites both our awe and our sense of responsibility. Protecting them means preserving not just a species, but a deep well of cultural, emotional, and ecological knowledge that enriches our world in ways we are only just beginning to understand. Octopuses challenge everything we expect about intelligence because they evolved along a radically different path. Their nervous system is distributed, a large central brain and substantial neural tissue in their arms. Decentralized control allows remarkable flexibility. They display problem-solving skills, navigate mazes, and slip through tiny openings. Local arm autonomy enables quick, adaptive responses. Each arm can taste and act semi-independently. Camouflage is a complex, perceptual feat. Ein sacrobanquo staken den distrux. Ein setfun sacribas, integrating vision with muscle and chromatophore control. They experiment with displays in hunting and possibly communication. In labs, they learn to open containers and remember solutions for days. They use coconut shells as portable shelter, true tool use and planning. They show curiosity and play-like behaviors with non-nutritive items. Individuals invent different solutions. Intelligence expressed through adaptability. They switch strategies, camouflage, mimicry, and altered hunting styles. Octopuses feel pain and show distress. Many countries grant special protections. They remind us intelligence has many architectures. Sheer stakyo alienness, much and fast. Chances. Crows and corvids rank consistently high in cognitive tests, often outperforming mammals in causal reasoning and tool use. Small brains, densely packed neurons, neural economy supporting complex cognition. They fashion hooks from twigs and modify tools to improve performance. Some even bend wire into hooks. They solve sequential puzzles and use multiple tools across steps. They drop stones into water to raise floating food. Causal understanding. They cache food across locations. They remember where and what they hid. They re-hide if others watched, suggesting theory of mind. Young corvids learn from adults. Innovations spread through populations. Urban corvids exploit human environments, even using cars to crack nuts. They recognize individual human faces and remember threats for years. Communication is sophisticated, alarm calls and identity signals. Social information coordinates groups. Some species cooperate in hunting or mob predators. Cognitive control can rival primates in some tasks. Their blend of tool use, planning, social awareness, and innovation ranks them among the planet's smartest animals. We've just toured 5 minds that evolved under very different pressures, each solving problems their way, sometimes mirroring our own, from chimp culture to dolphins naming and coordinating hunts, to elephants remembering seasons, to octopuses inventing shelters, to crows engineering tools and planning for tomorrow. Intelligence is a suite of adaptations. Recognizing that diversity reshapes how we think about cognition, empathy, and stewardship. Protecting habitats and supporting research preserves species and the cultural and ecological knowledge they carry. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.